Hi and welcome to this quick Kobocourse tutorial. My name is Eva and I'm going to be guiding you through how to create your own membership site on kobocourse.com. Now, if you've not used Kobocourse before, I want you to go check it out right now. Go to kobocourse.com. This is the best course hosting platform for Africans, and on Kobocourse you can sell your courses, your ebooks. You can also sell your tickets for your workshops and master classes. You can send emails to your students directly from Kobocourse, and you can set up membership sites as well. This is what we want to focus on today. But first, let's jump into our Kobocourse dashboard. Now, once you're logged into your Kobocourse dashboard, and this is my dashboard as a creator, you're going to notice that you have several options on the left side right here. So you have your dashboard, you have your purchases for things that you have purchased on Kobocourse and other memberships as well. You also have messages, like your students sending you messages. You can receive messages and connect with your students directly from inside Kobocourse, and so your students have easy access to chat with you from any course that you have sold on Kobocourse. And this is a fantastic part of Kobocourse, by the way. But let's go to memberships. I want to show you what the memberships look like. So over here under your Creator Studio, we're going to tap on memberships. And when that opens, as you can see, I've already started testing memberships out. And on this particular membership site, I have earned almost 800,000 Naira and about $1,000 as well. I also have a different membership that I'm testing out. It has no subscribers, so you can create multiple memberships if you can handle it. I have one main membership right now, and it currently has 89 subscribers. So we're going to tap on this membership so I can show you what it looks like. Now, for your membership, you have the opportunity to edit and design your membership as you want and fill up your content the way you like to do that. I'm going to show you that in about a minute, but first I just want to show you the back end of a membership and what it actually looks like when you create your membership site on kobocourse.com. So as you can see, inside my membership, we have courses, we have resources. So courses are, for example, the courses that you may have uploaded on Kobocourse already. You can add them easily to your membership. And resources are new files, new books, new videos, new audio programs, new files that you want to share with your members, right? And you can always add resources again and again and again. Articles, so you can have blogs inside of your membership. So I have blogs where I teach tutorials with writing for my members. So there are several different articles in the membership right now, and you can do that for your membership as well, just to expand the different types of resources and content that you can give to your members. As you can see over here, I have a welcome page or a welcome message on the home page. And so when your users log into your membership, this is what they see. However, if your users are not logged into your membership or your subscribers, I'm just going to open a completely different tab right here so that I can show you what that looks like. When you don't have subscribers logged in, this is what they see. They're asked to join the membership, okay? And my membership is currently $20 monthly, which is about 10,000 Naira. And you can set your membership price however you want. I'm going to show you that shortly. I just want to show you all of the things that you can create inside your membership. So this is the membership homepage, right? And this is sort of like my sales letter to explain the membership to people, tell them what they're going to get. And you can design your homepage however you want. And this is how I have designed mine for now. And people get a chance to read all of that because, of course, you have to sell the membership. So this is the homepage, and they get a chance to join, right? And so they're able to join the membership from here. So when people are actually logged in, this is what they see. Now they are logged in and they have access to all the resources. Also, aside the courses and the resources and the articles, there is also members forum. Now, inside the members forum is where your members can talk to each other and they can have conversations directly from your membership. And so you can hold steady conversations with your members. You can create different forum boards and topics, and your members can start their own topics as well. For my topics, I have accountability, how I am winning the week, and my members will be able to, you know, type a reply to that particular board, and I've opened it here, and they tell us what it is that they are working on, and members can respond to each other. So it's a great way to keep your members active, to understand what's going on. For example, I have, what do you need help with? I have advertised, there's a board called advertise, so that members can advertise what it is that they're selling or what it is that they're doing. I have a board called suggest a class, to help members decide or suggest what it is that they want to learn while they are in the membership. So this is a fantastic way for you to keep your members engaged, keep the conversation going, and also get feedback from your members. The other thing that I really love is articles, because with articles, I can easily create weekly content or even daily content, depending on if you want to do that. And with articles, you're able to write blog posts directly inside your membership. And as an example, I'm just going to open this so that you see what it looks like. And so when people are reading your blogs in your membership, this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is like a tutorial blog for members only, and they can read all of those articles. The courses as well, these are all the courses that are inside my membership at the moment. So my subscribers have instant access to all of these courses, and they have all the resources inside the membership. But how do you create your own membership on Kobocourse? We're going to go in now, and I'm going to start from scratch. We're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're going to try to create a membership. So I'm going to go to membership right here. And under membership, like I said, you can create as many different memberships as you want. So we're going to go to new membership. And this is how you design your membership. So you can have your logo, and I'm going to show you what that looks like again so that you see that. This is the logo. So when you're editing your membership, you include your logo right here. And this is my logo. And then you have the membership banner, which you're just going to click right here and go pick up your membership banner, whatever banner you have as your membership. So for example, let's say that this is my membership banner, right? And I'm just going to resize that. And remember, you can create a membership for absolutely whatever it is that you decide you want to create a membership for. My membership banner is a very single image. It has no text because the main membership text is going to be an overlay. So usually I like to tell people, when you create a membership banner, it might actually be best for you to create a membership banner that has no image, that has there's a single image that has no text. So for example, I'm going to take this now as a membership banner so that it is an underlay, and then I can pick up a logo. Let's say maybe this is my logo. This is just an example, of course. And then the title of your membership, which is this title, let's call this test membership. And then the subheading, which is this subheading right here, just to give us a quick overview of what your membership is about. On Kobocourse.com. And next, we're going to go to the main details of the membership. So the description of the membership, all the things that you want people to read about to convince them or to sell them on the idea of joining your membership. Why should people join? This is where you're going to include your sales letter. All right, so I'm just going to pick up something, and I'm going to see if I can grab any piece of content. Let's see. Do we have any piece of content that we can grab right here? That's a great looking feed message. Okay, so we're going to grab that, and I'm just going to do a copy and paste so that we have some content here. Now we have some content. When you have content, you can edit the content as you go. I can make this a heading to change the styling. I can make this a smaller heading to change the styling. Like that. Okay, so we have described the membership. Now, super important, how are members for your membership going to pay for this membership? Do you want them to pay every single month? Do you want them to pay quarterly? Do you want them to pay every year? This is absolutely up to you. If you choose quarterly, then your members will be billed every quarter. If you choose monthly, your members will be billed monthly. Okay, so let's say the subscription fee is 10,000 Naira, about $20. And we can decide to send a welcome email. So when somebody, as soon as somebody subscribes to your membership, you want to say, welcome to the test membership. Okay, and This is the title of the email, and this is the content of the email. We want to display a welcome message on the members page to sort of guide members around and let them know what to do. So for example, this is my members message, and I ask them to read a user manual. That user manual leads them to an actual article inside the membership where I describe the article. So what do you want to say to your members on the home page? You want to say, so excited, or say, welcome to the test membership. And then you drop a description or a welcome message for that, okay? And that's it. Super simple for the basic content of the membership site. Now we're going to say save membership, and now we have the opportunity to add the content for the membership. So we can add courses, we can add resources, we can write articles. So what do you want to include in your membership? You can add courses. You have to upload your courses into Kobocourse first. Of course, you know that you can already add your courses. And if you already have courses on Kobocourse, which is what I did, I literally just went in there and I began to select the courses that I wanted to include in that membership, okay? So for me, for this test membership, I can say, okay, add this course to the membership, add this one too, maybe add this one as well, and let's add this course as well. And so now we have membership courses. We can say done. And we can go back and we can add resources. Then we can create a forum. So you can go now and you can add a group to your membership, a discussion board. We click on create group right here. And to create a membership forum, you say the title is let's chat about what you need, right? And then you describe the forum. You say continue the conversation, for example. Help with, right? And we can decide that we want to pin this to the top of the forum. If you want the discussion board to have this at the top, we can allow students to start new topics on this. And then we can add rules. We can say no bullying, be respectful, right? And that we've created a board. So now this is the board. So when your members come, they can go to the home page of the membership. So this is the test membership we have just created, right? This is our logo, this is the name, the title, and this is the description that we have. These are the courses that we have added. And if you go on the members forum, this is the forum that we just started. And so when somebody clicks on that, they can start a new topic and they can respond to the forum. You see that? That is just amazing, right? And if you decide that you want to start adding resources to your membership, you simply go to resources and add a new resource. So let's do that really quickly. The thumbnail for this is a square image. And so we're just going to go in and we're going to create a specific square image for that resource. Okay, that's perfect right there. We're going to crop and upload. We're going to write a title. We're going to say test resource. We're going to write a description for it. And we're going to choose the file. So as you can see, you can upload videos, audios, PDFs, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel. You can upload several content types for your resources, okay? So I'm just going to choose a file. And let's see, where do I have resources? I don't want to choose something that is too heavy so that it doesn't take all our time today, but let's do that. And we're going to say add resource, right? This is going to take a couple of minutes to upload, and once it's uploaded, it will be added to your membership. And that's it. That is how simple it is for you to start your own membership site, create it, design it, make it look really beautiful. And as you can see, from my membership, when we go over to Digital Creator Society, which is my test membership for now, it's just a powerful way for you to offer a wide variety of content and build people month to month. Let's call this your Netflix strategy for earning money online. The Netflix model is get or create value that people can pay for every single month. By doing this, you're able to ensure that you have income coming to your business every single month. And this is so important that you implement, especially for those of you who love teaching and you have a wide variety of content and you have so much knowledge to share. If you want a situation where you can retain your students over time, if you've been thinking about creating a membership site, head over right now to Kobocourse.com and start your own membership site today. It is super easy, like I've just shown you. And as you can see on this site, we have added a new resource. We go over here now to view the resource, and boom, we have a brand new video that has been loaded up to the membership, and it's right there and just waiting for people to come watch that video. If I click this, it's going to start.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial today. My name is...
So you see, it's so easy for you to add new content to your membership whenever it is that you want. It's easy for you to edit your membership as you want. And so I invite you to head over to Kobocourse.com right now, sign up for your free account and get started selling your courses, your membership sites, your ebooks, your videos, your classes, your coaching gigs, your tickets, every single thing. Are you going to create a membership site, and what do you want your membership site to be about? Let's start that conversation in the chat down below. I'd love to read from you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.